Nandan, hi Pradeep. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's start with Pradeep's actually the query. Pradeep, can you tell me how many CRs are there which is related to PPQM for you?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Mhm. In total, how many are there?
Totally, it's 19, Nitya. So
Total
this is
19.
yeah.
SNC is not a QM, Pradeep. It is actually, the whole purchasing process only. Okay,
Okay,
even
okay,
though it is a usage decision, but it is a process that starts with our purchase order. Supplier will be receiving the purchase order. The whole cycle we should know. So you can mark
okay,
it as an income, this
okay,
case.
fine.
Okay, it is like, both that MMPPQM will be there, but process starts with the MM.
Okay.
Okay. Sample testing is QM, okay. Q11 is their part, Delta EWM report. So what is this is a QM, okay. What is this Delta report?
This thing has some steps around like related to QA11, QA something. Should I
Yeah,
open it?
but yeah, QA11, QA12, it should not be a complex for you because that is not a master data.
Okay,
Once you execute QA11, any of this case, that should be more than sufficient. It will not take a much time. I see that row number 4, where
okay.
14249, that is QM you mark, no? There also you have a QA11.
Hmm. Okay.
Right. And
Yeah.
all these cases, the 4, 5, 6, all these three rows are related to Q11, Q12. Means once you execute that transaction code as they have mentioned, that should be sufficient. It will not be a complex one. But you can open that report. But first, before that, let's complete the list. Okay.
Yeah.
So next one is PMS check during analytical results. PMS
Yeah.
check is related to master data usually. So
Okay.
in this case, you have marked as a QM. Is because of you have a transaction code Q11 or something?
Yeah.
Can you open the script?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll open it. Yeah. This like lot creation inspection lots.
What it is saying, go to SE 16 and check the configuration table, the value in this column, PMS document number and PMS version. Okay, so next is like QA03, check the lot. Check the lot. Any lot you can take. You no need to create. It is display transaction code
So,
QA03.
so in these
Okay.
cases, we can find like already created lot. We can check it out, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
no need of creating a new one.
No, for the second step, at
Uh,
least it is not the new, no need to create a new one because that is a display one.
okay.
Okay.
Like in one
Uh,
more case, I have like process order related to inspection lot.
mhm.
So in that case, like related to inspection lot, like process order, we need to get that inspection lot, right?
Yes,
Like,
that's it.
mhm.
Okay, for the next step, the lot should be able to process. That much only you have to take care. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to create a way for the display and all. The
Okay,
existing one, see, this is a display transaction Q803. What next is the transaction code, the inspection lot and execute, select the operation, select the MIC, enter the value. So in this case, they're saying that change the values of the inspection lot. So for this one, if you take any of the, already executed test runs for this one, can you
okay,
go to that and you can find out the T code? You no need to worry that which T code and, you know,
mhm.
just you can go to test run, find out that if any executed runs for this one, and just check it out. What's the T code they have used it? The same way you
Okay.
can use.
I think actually some of them, like in test runs, we don't get it actually. We don't have any old previous runs.
Mhm.
I don't find
Ping me,
anything.
ping me that ID. Let me see. You have pinged that ID in the meeting chat.
Yeah, meeting chat.
Okay. Hi, Krishna Garu. Hi. Yeah, Nandan and Pradeep are the new joinees to forward team. They'll be executing the test scripts. So they have a couple of QM related scripts. So I thought it would be better if you give some inputs to them. So right now we are checking foreign script where they're executing one of the step where their parameter is T code also parameter. So we are checking that test run if it has executed any test run for that test plan. Pradeep and Nandan, I was mentioning, right, Krishna will be joining to forward team after April. So he's
Yeah.
here. And yeah,
Is it in the forward?
yes, Krishna got us and forward.
Maybe
So you'll be joining,
better
right? Mhm.
better we can include Balaji here because like forward
Mhm.
not executed in steps long back. So
Uh,
Balaji would
um,
be the better.
Not for the end-to-end steps. It's only standard if any master data ఉంటుంది కదా అలాంటి.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. I hope I have shared my screen. What's his name? Pradeep, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pradeep, you
Mm.
have to pass a value in the field test name. Now I can see there
Okay.
is a two scripts available. So let me open one of the script which is executed in 2020.
Okay.
Pradeep, you have a transaction code related QE51, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, they are passing the transaction code as Q11. You can uh, refer this test run. Okay, you can see the
Okay.
previous run, how they're executed, what are the steps they followed. You can verify that. I'll stop sharing. You can present now.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
you can just.
Okay. Fine. So only the couple of
Mm.
six scripts are there, right? Can you go just
Yeah.
move it up? Scripts six in the six actually the first one is related to SNC that may not fall in our no need to check with explicitly with the QM team, so we can check that one. And the last one you know now what are the test run, and for the remaining
Mm.
case also just find out that reference test run and you can check it out. And if you have any issues with reference to the flow transaction you stuck up with a so and so field, so that we
Mm.
can take a help like a standard decodes.
Okay.
Mhm. Like
Okay.
QE51, you had an issue, right? There was some document type you were not able to assign. Can you open
Yeah.
that script if you have that in handy?
Which is that Q like
QE51
six?
in you were yeah you contacted for some characteristics some master data creation, right? The very first day. So which is a script? Last week you
Oh,
were
that
trying
that
to
CCAT thing. I
not a
didn't.
CK. So for which
Oh,
test
that
run you
thing.
have?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Not this one,
Not
not
this.
this
Not
one.
this. No, I reached only for this.
Is it Nandan, who asked me last week for this QA51N, you are Nandan. Once again, you guys last week had a call, right? QA51N. Okay, fine. If you guys don't have any query on that part, then usage decision. I don't know. One of you guys has contacted me, not Harry, but for sure. Okay, that is fine. If at all any other queries we can discuss now. Krishna is also there. General transaction of an QM. Else, you can do one thing. You can go through all the test runs which is executed for the test plans, and after that, you have any queries, you can schedule a call. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
Without in this, I have not found this, Nitya. This like
Transform
showing this.
material master data to forward successful. This case actually, uh, ping me that ID. Ping me that 1301, huh, that ID. Mhm.
And related to this interface, so
Which interface it is?
this is
Nitya, if there is nothing about QM for now, can I drop in the call
Yes,
because I am in another call with developer.
sure, sure, Krishna. I'll contact you later.
Okay,
Thank
guys,
you.
Pradeep, Nandan, take care. And if there is any query, so
yeah,
for related to PPQM in forward, you can reach out to Balaji, and if there is something cannot be done, you can also contact me. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
And
Thank you. Thanks, Nitya. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. There is runs, Pradeep. I think
tell
you're
me.
not passing the values in the right field. Check it out with the test set name. See where I'm checking it is also related to forward, right? You could see
Okay.
here. I can able to see the this one test name, test colon test name. I can give you the screenshot so that it is easy for you. So where I'm passing the values, how I'm passing the values. Okay,
Yeah.
you can check. This is all the uh, previous scripts. It will give an idea for you to how to execute. And for the display transaction codes, yes, you can take it out the existing one. Okay, for the creation
Okay.
transaction code, you have to create it manually. So make sure that before you start executing in HPLM, try to execute one cycle without HPLM, so that you know that what are the data you need to be prepared with the execution. Okay,
Okay.
so, so mhm, mhm, mhm. I am not going to execute that scripts in the further subgrade regression testing, right? So you have to check it out what was the stepper for that executed earlier. So PM1, what you can do is like as I was showing you that how the runs were searched. So you search with the test name ID and you can see that already they would have attached some screenshots if at all it is there. Okay, if still you're not able to find out that one, so for PM case, you can contact to Balaji. If you are not able to get anything from Balaji, in that case, if at all he's occupied with some other activity, you can also reach out to Krishna. Krishna is also quite busy. He is also, cross utilized in other towers. His major area is other towers, so will not be a major looking into forward system. So Balaji is there for the main for forward. So if he executed this PM, he will be aware of it. Before you reaching to him, it's better you search in the test run. The reason for asking to check in the HPLM because everyone would have not remember right now. So if at all they would have executed also very long back, they would have done. Check the screenshots from the test run if it is there any reference. Still, if you're not able to do it, you're stuck up with something, you can immediately contact to the who's that? Balaji for the PPQM area, and for the general queries, you can check with the who is allocated for you, Nandan, who is going to support you for this regression testing. Okay, you can reach out to Nilesh. See, why I'm saying is like immediately you will get information from them. Okay. Pradeep case, I'll be guiding you in case of general queries. If it is specific related, I can help you out. And if it is related to the interface, which team has to be contacted, I can provide you. And in case of PPQM, we have to contact a Balaji and also Krishna. So whenever you're trying to reach out to Balaji, include a Krishna as well. Any one of them will be addressed to your queries. And make sure that, we have to complete the script on time and utilize your team members. Okay, just reach out to them, buy some time, so that they will also able to help you.
Yeah, yes, okay.
So
Mm,
now, as of now, what the script you are going to execute for this week? See, in total, how many scripts are there for both of you, Nandan and Pradeep?
19 have
Okay, how much you have? Okay. Okay, so it is like both of you having a 20, I'll consider. So 5 scripts per week. So we are in the second week. By this weekend, you guys have to complete a 10 script. Till now, how many scripts are completed? It can be of a HPLM, it can be of a screening, whatever it is, but in general, so 10 scripts by this weekend, it has to be completed. So Pradeep, from your side, how many scripts are completed?
for me only one. I'm stuck up with this SECAT one thing, and I'm
Okay.
just working on this. So I was like initially I was working on this QM script for QA11 and all,
Yeah,
like
okay.
finding difficult.
Okay, in this QM script, okay, in this QM script, which are the screening part?
Screening the sample testing is screening part.
Okay,
Then this delta maybe. Now let's check it on. Share this. No, this thing.
yeah, try to complete at least 2 HPLM this week and remaining 8 as an screening part. Okay,
Okay.
SNC case, you need a help from the SNC team. What is the source for this test script? Like within SAP, you are going to perform, or you're
No,
waiting for
no.
the.
One in waiting for SNC. Like let's start from SNC only.
Okay, you create a purchase order, ask them to perform all the steps. Okay, so what is the
Mm-hmm.
test plan has steps in this case? What are the steps are there?
I need to check it.
Okay. So for this one, as I was mentioning, early inspection lot means how you can classify is like it is based upon the inspection type. So you have to find out, what is the inspection type it is. So if at all any test data it is there, material, maybe you can take the reference of an already executed script with the material, and based upon that material, you can create one purchase order. Check it in EK. So you have an experience, right? You know the tables of the purchase order.
Yeah.
Okay, you can pass this, whatever the test data you get it from here, pass that material and find out that recent purchase orders in the C30 system and take out that purchase order reference, create one purchase order in our SAP C30 and trigger this one. Say when all the
Mm-hmm.
data is in place, automatically it will trigger a data to SNC. You can contact to SNC team, just ask them to trigger an early inspection lot in this case. And you can provide that this is the script, I need a support for this testing. So they will help you out in this case.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is an HPLM or it is a, screening one?
This is like screening one.
In that case, it is easy for you. Like
Screening.
if you complete a half a part now, and if you complete a half a part at the end of the day, that will work for you. Okay, you can target it for closure for today and buy a time from the people. And what is this SNC upon usage decision? So then you consider this is also first two are SNC relevant, right, for you? Report production and SNC. Then you take that these are the two scripts I need a support from you. You can contact SNC by raising a ticket. They will help you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Should I raise like service request for that?
No, you can raise a ticket for them. Before that, you should know
Mhm.
what are the steps you have to perform in the system. So for
Okay,
that, you have
okay.
to first go through the test run, existing test run. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, Let me see if I can help you today. Okay. If possible, for these two test runs, how to perform, what is the test case we can utilize? Maybe we can discuss at 3 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, in
Okay.
by that time, just make sure that reference test runs, find out from the HPLM, just go through once, then we can see in the C30 system. Okay,
Okay.
that two
Okay.
cases you can complete by this week itself. Both are in since it is a screening part. And what is this Swiss Hub QM process for GR from Plancer? So what is the script? Uh,
So it's related to like a program thing above. So I just checked on it.
mhm. So you just identify scripts which you are going to perform for this week. Okay, and last
Okay.
week it is not completed, so you have to at least you have to complete a 10 scripts by this weekend. So hardly we have one day. How much is possible from your side? You have to see. Okay, report is searching for the relevant inspection lot and record the results. Yeah, come down. Okay, so this should be easy, right, for you to
Yeah.
perform.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll check this out.
you can execute first one run, try run in the system. If you see
Mhm.
everything works fine for you, just
Okay.
execute this in a HPLM. So the first three, whatever in your list, you can able to finish by this week, right?
Okay. Okay.
So always you identify the scripts.
Mm-hmm. Fine.
Okay, fine, Pradeep. I have
Okay.
another meeting. Just have a look like this, um,
Mm-hmm.
and what else? For SNC, we'll connect at 3 o'clock. Okay. By that time, just please go through the script. Since you guys are new to the process, I'm asking you to go through the already executed scripts, how the screen looks like, and after that we can see. And then for your case, just schedule a call with Anilesh and try to check for his help also, like wherever you need. Okay. See, Nilesh, myself are related to WM areas. Okay. And if it is related to PPQM, yeah, our team, like, Balaji or Krishna can help out. But for the general queries, yeah, team members, any one of us can help. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. That did you provide the list of your MES scripts? How many are there? Uh-huh. Let's see. Since a TIPCO have an issue, you can start at any time. Maybe today we'll check with the Balaji that if he have already provided some timeline to them. Okay, be available, then we can discuss with him. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Bye.
And even I have some of the MES scripts, Anija.
Mhm. Okay.
So I'm not sure like how to proceed with that.
Okay, you have
Just
already identified there is a two scripts with you, right? We can provide that
yeah.
list to Balaji. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When I have to give a list to him. So if you already provided, that is fine. Altogether, he will ask one ticket only to MEST. We'll see. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Anija.
Thank you. Bye.